making $300 per day. What's that? First, copy this link by clicking this button. Then you paste it here and click Add to the website. Finally, you will receive $21.90. Applying it by 15, that is $328.50 per day. Will translate. Today, I'm going to show you how to earn up to $45 every half an hour or even less by using Google Translate. That I know many of you are familiar with. It's a beginner-friendly strategy that doesn't require any prior experience or technical skills. I will also give you another website and show you how you can use TikTok for more results as well. I mean, just follow me guys and I will walk you through the setup process, and you just need to click where I click. So let's dive in. In case you are not familiar with, CPA stands for Cost Per Action, and it's a great way to make money online without selling anything. Instead, you get paid for simple actions like entering an email address or a mobile number. Usually, you get paid less compared to the traditional method, but in this video, I'll show you how you can select high-paying offers and get traffic to those offers using the method that I'm going to show you. So, the first website that we are going to use is Google Translate, and it's simple to use as you know. You just need to type in English, for example, and it automatically translates it to the French or Spanish or any other language that you choose. And the website that we will get the offers from is CPA Grip. It's a well-known CPA website with a wide range of offers to choose from, and you just need a PayPal account to get paid. Alright, with that in mind, let's get into the nitty-gritty of making some money with the CPA marketing. Go to the CPA Grip and create an account simply by clicking the register in the top right corner here. Fill in your information and click the Register Now button. After signing up, you can log in and your dashboard will look like this. And you will notice the public chat section where users are sharing their results. So as you can see, a lot of people are having success with this website, and the first step is selecting high-paying offers. And to do that, go to the left side and click Offer Tools. Then My Offers in the Country section. You will see your country selected and the high-paying offers currently available in your country. To sort offers by the top-paying offers, click Payout. And on the left under the Type section, you can see if the offer is suitable for desktop, iOS or Android. Like this offer is suitable for Android users. As you can see, when you click on the offer, this window pops out and it shows the link that you need to promote and what information the visitors need to provide so you can earn commission. To get your affiliate link, simply click the copy link button and you can see a thumbnail that shows how the offer page looks like when someone clicks on your link. To filter the offer and find the best ones, you need to select European countries like France, Italy, Germany, and Spain. These countries typically provide higher payouts per action performed. To do so, just click on your country right here and type the country you want, let's say France. Click here to sort by payout and select the highest paying offer. To promote this offer right here pays you $36.36 for every person that completes the task. But make sure you're familiar with the offer so that you can promote it effectively. You most likely know about iPhone, and let's choose this one. That's what the offer page looked like, and this offer asks people to provide their contact info. If I selected and copy this French text and paste it into the Google Translate, you can see it says enter your mobile number and get started. To promote this offer, you just click on the copy link button and save the link on the Google Docs or Notepad, because this is the link that you will have to promote on your PayPal account when anybody clicks on your link and finishes the task. So I'm going to show you a website that will help us promote our link and get free traffic. And the website is called trafficbar.com, and it guarantees over 1,000 visitors every 3 days to your website or the link that we'll be sharing. There is another website that gives you even more, but first let me show you this one. Imagine just 10 visitors click on our link and enter their mobile numbers, and boom, we make $219. Now picture if 1,000 visitors completed the task, we could expect a whopping $2,190. And the best part is that it only takes us around 15 minutes to set it all up. But let's be realistic here. If only 1% of the visitors perform the action, that's still over $200. In the worst case scenarios, if only 1% perform the action, we still get $21.90 for less than 15 minutes of work. So let's post our link onto this awesome website and generate some free traffic to our link. And to get signed up to the traffic ad bar, all you need to do is to click add on the sign up button, enter some simple details, your first name and your email address, then click onto the join, click the activation link that you received in your email box and activate your account. Click next and complete setup process, then click next, create a password, choose a username, click the check username button and finally create the account. You will then be taken to the page like this. It's going to say finish settings up, so you simply click OK. Don't worry about this. First step for now, just click any one of those times. For example, I'm going to click 10 o'clock. You then want to click on save, then click OK. And here is where we are going to add our affiliate link or the link that we generated from the CPA grip. Remember guys, anytime that anybody click on that link and performs the action, we are going to get paid $21.90. So you want to go back to your CPA link that you would have been saved earlier, and I've got mine in the notepad. You want to copy it and then paste it directly into the traffic ad bar. But before we do that, first you want to shorten your link to increase the number of people that are going to click on the link. To do that, go to bit.ly.com and create an account, log into your account and grab the long link you got from CPA grip. Go to bit.ly and click create a new, paste the link here and give it a nice title. Click the create button. Now we have a short link. Click copy. After copying the link, go to the traffic ad bar and paste the link here and click add website. Now go to Google Translate and choose the language you are translating from. In my case is English, and here the language you are translating to, which in this case is French, and type something like an iPhone giveaway. Copy the French translation and paste it into traffic ad bar's title section. Then add another line like sign up here, sign up right now to do the same. And copy the French translation and add it here. Scroll down and choose the language of the ad. It is French in our case, so I will choose that. And then scroll down here and choose France, so your ad targets France-based visitors. Choose a date when you want your ad to be seen, like so, and finally click save. And for those of you who have made it so far in the video, I want to share with you an awesome website that I came across while creating this video. You can use it for free and get up to 6,000 visitors. For a little investment of $10, you get a whooping 60,000 visitors. Sounds amazing, right? And on the top of that, it's super easy to use. Just sign up with your email or password. And the site is called Sigma Traffic. You should go and check it out. And my last bonus tip for you is to use TikTok and YouTube Shorts to get more free traffic. Just post a video about iPhone or the offer that you want to promote, and you can get millions of the free traffic with little effort. If you want me to cover that in more depth in another video, let me know guys. So that was it for today's video. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out any of our future videos. And don't forget to smash that like button if you enjoyed this content. Thanks for tuning in, and I will see you in the next one.